And now we're going to remove the silent blocks. You can see I have the silent block removal tool. And quick tip on that, go ahead and oil the threads on this if you want your tool to last a long time. Otherwise, that could start getting marred and ruin your tool. For the removal, we're going to use this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. And there are two other pieces, but these are just for installation. So, whoop, put that in place. Put your bolt in place. And then the cupped end goes in, because that goes against the inner spacer. Thread that up nice and snug, and it really is as simple as just cranking this thing through. And eventually it'll give, and you'll be able to feel it. And then once you finish cranking it through, you can just lift it off, unthread the nut on the end, and there's your silent block, just like that.